So, from this video lecture, we are going to learn a new method. That is a new topic of a solution of a differential equation, right? So, method for solving a differential equation, and we are going to solve only first order, first degree differential equation, right? In 12th standard, in higher education, you are going to learn first order, second degree, second order, second degree differential equation. But in this chapter, that is in 12th science, you are going to learn only first order, first degree differential equation that you have to solve. And for that solving, you have first method is variable separable form, right? Variable separable differential equation with variable separable. In this method, what you have to do, you have to separate the variable, means with dx take all quantities with containing x, and all quantities containing y take with dy is called a variable separable form, right? A first order first degree differential equation is of the form this, like this, dy by dx. See, degree of this and order of this is higher order 1, and power of the higher order derivative is 1. So order and degree is 1 here. So suppose we are considering a function dy by dx is equal to f of xy, where this function is a multiple of another two functions, say gx and hy, right? So f of xy is this function. So substituting this value here, we get this gx into h of y. Now variable separable means you have to keep all terms containing y with dy and all terms containing x with dx, right? So this is dy, so we have to, this is term containing y, so I am writing dy taking this to denominator, that is h of y, and with dx all term containing x, so I am taking dx to here, so this is gx dx, considering hy is not equal to 0, right? Now after getting this, see here, all terms containing y with dy and all terms containing x with dx, and then integrating we get, this is called a variable separable form, and integrating we get, integrating dy upon hy is equal to integration gx dx, right? And suppose we assume answer of this function, we don't know what is the hy, so suppose we assume answer of this is hy and answer of this is capital Gx, right? And plus c. Now remember one thing, in differential equation you can put any arbitrary constant. आपको जो constant सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है वो constant आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. आपको यहाँ पे log c रखना है तो आप log c भी लिख सकते हैं, जो लिखना है वो आप लिख सकते हो. So in differential equation there is a answer varies, right? आपका आंसर सबका एक जैसा नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपने कौन सा आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट लिया इस पे डिपेंड करेगा, मगर आपका जो आंसर है, ये इंटीग्रेशन है, वो इंटीग्रेशन का आंसर सही होना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट सिंप्लीफिकेशन में आपने जैसा आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट लिया वैसा आपका सिंप्लीफिकेशन आएगा, मगर हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, राइट? सब स्टेप में यहाँ पे लॉग है, यहाँ पे लॉग है, तो हम यहाँ लॉग सी लिख देंगे. यहाँ पे सी एक्स बाई वाई बाई 2 है, यहाँ पे एक्स बाई 2 है, तो हम आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट सी बाई 2 लिख देंगे, क्योंकि वो हमारे कन्वीनियंट के लिए है, हमें इजी पड़े इसके लिए है, तो हम आर्बिट्ररी कांस्टेंट कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, वो आपको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में याद रखना है, राइट? सो h of y is the integration of this, that is antiderivative of 1 upon hy, and gx capital is the antiderivative of gx, and this is a general solution because it contains a one arbitrary constant, so it is a first order differential equation and we are solving that one only, right? So how to solve this type of example? First of all, variable separable. तो आपको एक क्वेश्चन राइज होगा, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि कौन सा फॉर्म है? तो सबसे पहले डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना हो तो आपको वेरिएबल सेपरेबल है कि नहीं वो चेक करना. दैट मींस आप विथ dx ऑल टर्म कंटेनिंग x सेपरेट कर सकते हो क्या? विथ dy ऑल टर्म कंटेनिंग y सेपरेट कर सकते हो क्या? इफ दैट इज पॉसिबल तो वो वेरिएबल सेपरेबल हो जाएगा. तो कोई भी डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपको सॉल्व करना है तो सबसे पहले आपको वो देखना है कि आप x वाली टर्म और y वाली टर्म जो है वो सेपरेट लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं. So first of all, first question is example number 9, page 392. Find the general solution. I am writing only short form. General solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y, or sorry, x plus 1 upon 2 minus y, right? See, this is x plus 1 and this is 2 minus y. So हम with dx x वाली टर्म और with dy y वाली टर्म लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? तो क्या होगा? तो चेंज करेंगे कि taking these 2 minus y to here, what we get here, I'm solving now. Here it is given dy by dx is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 minus y. Right? So separating term containing y with dy and term containing x with dx. So this may be, this is 2 minus y into dy is equal to x plus 1 into dx. So this equation is converting in term containing y with dy, all terms of x, right? So this is called a variable separable form. So I am writing variable separable form, right? Now integrating, what we get? So integrating, we get 2 minus y dy is equal to integration x plus 1 dx, right? तो क्या करना है? डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको पहले वेरिएबल सेपरेबल मेथड अप्लाई करना है, वो है तो वो वेरिएबल सेपरेबल कर लो। इसके बाद सिंपल आपको इनडिफाइनाइट में जो आप इंटीग्रेशन करते थे इसका वो करना है, आपको इंटीग्रेट करना है। सो नाउ 2 इज कांस्टेंट, integration with respect to y is here, so what you have to write? 2 constant, integration of 1 is y. So answer is, if you want to write this, then you can write like this also, minus integration y dy is equal to integration x dx plus integration dx. No need to write this type of step, right? You have to write directly 2 constant, integration of dy is, that is 1 is x if we are integrating with respect to x, but here we are integrating with respect to y, so integration is y. So this is 2y minus integration of this is y square by 2 is equal to integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of this is x, and I am substituting arbitrary constant c, right? No need to write both sides integration arbitrary, in integration arbitrary constant is 0, right? So this is your solution. If you want to simplify this, then you can take LCM. So LCM is 2. So taking 2 LCM, what we get? 4y minus y square minus is equal to x square plus twice x plus twice c, right? So answer will be taking y square to right hand side. So this is x square plus y square, right? Plus twice x minus 4y plus, I am writing here c dash, so this is c dash, and I am writing here plus c, right? Plus c is equal to 0, where c is equal to twice c dash, where c is equal to twice c dash, right? So this is your general solution, which is required general solution, right? Which is required general solution. You have to write this because in future we are going to find out the particular solution also, right? Using a given condition as we learned in previous video. So this is very easy type of solving a differential equation. क्या करना है? वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म में आपको dx के साथ x वाली टर्म सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, वो देखना है, dy के साथ y, right? Then it's called a variable separable form, and then integrating करना है आपको इसका, और जो आंसर है वो आपका सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का, right? तो है ना इजी? Next question is example number 10, page 393, right? We have to solve the equation, so I'm not writing any instruction. We have to find out general solution, right? If any condition is given, then we have to find out the particular solution, right? So see here, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. हम इसमें टर्म सेपरेट कर सकते हैं क्या? See here, dy. If we take this to here, then what happen here? This is dy upon 1 plus y square is equal to, taking dx to here, so this is dx upon 1 plus x square. So this is variable separable. So integrating, what we get? Integrating 1 upon 1 plus y square dy is equal to integration 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now integration of this. This is a tan inverse, but this is with respect to y. So answer is tan inverse y. So answer is tan inverse y is equal to, this is tan inverse x. So tan inverse x plus any arbitrary constant. So this is your answer, right? Which is required general solution. So which is required general solution. This you have to write, right? Now next question. Question number 1, page 395. dy by dx is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. See, both are in cos and x. So this is only 1x. Now this is 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is your formula, that is tan square x by 2. So what we get here? This is dy by dx is equal to tan square x by 2. Right? We are simplifying first. Now it's a variable separable form. If we take dx to here, then what we get? dy is equal to integration. Dy is equal to tan square x by 2 dx. So this is a variable separable form. So integrating dy is equal to integration tan square x by 2 dx. And you know this is not integrable function, right? So हमें sec में change करना है. So writing sec square minus 1 here. So therefore integration dy is equal to sec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. So answer of this is y is equal to sec square. Integration from sec square x is 10x. So 10x. But coefficient of x is 1 upon 2. So dividing by 1 upon 2, that is multiplied by 2 and minus x plus c, which is required general solution. Which is required general solution. Got it? तो इजी है, आप कर सकते हैं. सिंपली क्या करना है? वेरिएबल को सेपरेट करना है, dx के साथ x वाली टर्म, dy के साथ y वाली टर्म, और इसके बाद इनडिफाइंड इंटीग्रेशन की कोई भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके आपको इसका इंटीग्रेशन करना है. दैट इज द रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. सॉल्यूशन इज योर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ indefinite integrations answer. Right? Now see here, dy by dx is under root 4 minus 5 square. So this is only y. So taking this to here, what we get? This is dy upon under root 4 minus y square is equal to dx. ये क्या रहता है? Due to this light's glare, I am not able to read it, so I have to read like this. Okay. This is 1 upon root a square minus x square फॉर्मूला. तो ये भी आपने जो इंटीग्रेशन का रिवीजन नहीं किया है, तो ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में आपका वो भी रिवीजन हो जाएगा. Right? So keep all formula list with you. Okay. So this is a variable separable form. So variable separable, so integrating dy upon under root 4 minus y square is equal to integration dx. So what is the answer of this? Answer of this is sine inverse x, but it is not x, it's y by a is 2. So answer will be sine inverse y by 2 is equal to x plus c. Sine inverse y by 2 is equal to x plus c. Either if you want to apply both sides the sine function, that is inserting sine function both sides, what we get? Y by 2 is equal to sine x plus c, right? Which is required general solution. Which is required general solution. Any problem? I hope so कि आपको पता चल रहा है क्या करना है. So variable separable is very easy method, right? इसके बाद बहुत सारे मेथड आने वाली है, right? मगर all methods after one stage you have to apply this method only, that is variable separable. So final method is variable separable. So आपको इसका सम जो है वो प्रैक्टिस करना है, right? तो जो इजी है वो मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए देता हूँ, आपको भी पता चल गया है. टॉप क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, page 396, dy by dx plus y is equal to 1. So this is not of the form variable separable, but we can change, right? So if we write this as dy by dx plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Now dividing both sides by y minus 1, right? Dividing both sides by y minus 1, what we get? Dy by dx into 1 upon y minus 1, right, plus 1 is equal to 0. Now multiplying by dx, we get dy upon y minus 1 plus dx is equal to 0. So this is now variable separable form. So this is variable separable form. So integrating this, we get integrating dy upon y minus 1, right, plus integration dx is equal to 0. So derivative of the denominator is in numerator. So log mod y minus 1 plus x is equal to, I want to put log mod c as arbitrary constant. You can write any arbitrary constant, so I want to put this. Now instead of this x, this is log, this is log. So I want to convert this into log. So can I write like this? Log y minus 1 plus log, this is e raised to x log e, and log e is 1, right? So this is log mod c. You learn these type of questions. So now this is log a plus log b is log ab. So we get log modulus of y minus 1 into e raised to x is equal to log mod c. Now log is a 1 function. So removing this, we get y minus 1 into e raised to x is equal to c, right? That is y is equal to, that is y minus 1 is equal to, I am writing this is c into e raised to minus x. Dividing by e raised to x, we get e raised to minus x if you write in numerator. So this is your general solution, which is required general solution. This is general solution, right? Now this, here many terms are given, right? Sec square x tan y dx plus x square y tan x dy equal to 0, right? You are not able to convert this differential equation in a variable separable form at a first glance. But if you divide this equation by tan x into tan y, or you can take a separate this. So taking this to right hand side, we get sec square x into tan y dx is equal to minus sec square y tan x dy, right? Now this is dy. So with dy we need term containing y only. So this is required term, and here dx. So this is required term. So we can move these to right hand side and these two here. So what we get? We get sec square x upon tan x into dx is equal to minus sec square y upon tan y into dy. Now is it in variable separable form? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So this is a variable separable form. This is a variable separable form. So integration sec square x upon tan x dx is equal to minus integration sec square y upon tan y dy. Got it? Now you know integration of this. Derivative of tan x is sec square x, so derivative of the denominator is in numerator, same thing is here. So we get log mod tan x is equal to minus log mod tan y, and I want to put log mod c as arbitrary constant because all terms are in log. Taking log to here, it becomes plus. So this is log of mod tan x plus log of mod tan y is equal to log of mod c. Now log a plus log b is log ab. So this is log mod tan x into tan y is equal to log mod c. Now log is a 1 function, so removing log function we get tan x into tan y is equal to c, which is a required general solution. Which is a required general solution. है ना easy? तो आपको थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगी. तो यही एग्जाम्पल आपको मैं रिपीटेडली रिवाइज करने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. Now this, right? Taking this down to right hand side, this is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dy is equal to e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. So this is a term containing all x. So taking this to right hand side, we get dy is equal to e raised to x minus e raised to minus x whole upon e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dx. So this is now variable separable form. First of all, this is variable separable form. So integrating this, we get integration dy is equal to integration e raised to x minus e raised to minus x e raised to x plus e raised to minus x dx. Derivative of the denominator is in numerator. So we get y is equal to log mod e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus c. I don't want to write anything more. I want to write plus c only. So that is your general solution, right? So this is your general solution which you want. Next question is question number 6, page 396. dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. So you can easily separate the variables. Means dy, take dy to here and dx to here. You can integrate this, right? So this can be written as, therefore this is dy upon 1 plus y square is equal to 1 plus x square into dx. So this is a variable separable form. So we can integrate this, right? Very easily. You know the formula tan inverse, and this is x plus x cube by 3. Your answer is there. Take these two right hand side, become equal to, then dy dx you can separate and integrate, you will get your answer. This is very easy question also. Take y raised to 5 to here, dx upon x raised to 5, right? And you can integrate this. Now this is dy by dx is sin inverse x. This is also easy question, but you have to apply integration by parts rule. So I'm solving with you. So this is dy is equal to sin inverse x dx. So this is a variable separable form, right? So integrating, we get integration dy is equal to integration sin inverse x into 1 dx. So this is u and this is v, and you know integration by parts, right? Integration uv dx is equal to u integration v dx minus integration du by dx integration v dx bracket over dx. This is the rule, integration by parts u into v, right? So जैसा मैंने बोला था कि आपको इंटीग्रेशन जो है इनडिफाइनाइट इंटीग्रेशन वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है इसके लिए. तो वो आता है तो आपको सब कुछ इजी है आपके लिए, अदरवाइज इट्स आल्सो गोइंग टू बी हार्ड. और मुझे पता है आपने इंटीग्रेशन अभी तक परफेक्ट नहीं किया है, राइट? तो अभी स्कूल रीओपनिंग हो रही है, आप स्कूल आ रहे हैं, तो आपको ये सब कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा इंटीग्रेशन, राइट? अदरवाइज डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन आपको नहीं आएगा, पता चलेगा. So integrating, we get y is equal to u as it is sin inverse x, and integration of 1 is x minus integration derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and integration of 1 is x dx. So we get y is equal to x into sin inverse x minus integration. Now derivative of 1 is 0 minus, so here is plus, so I am taking this plus my 2 here minus, and we did 2 here, so minus 2 into x, so divide and multiplying by 2, and this is under root 1 minus x square, right? And dx. Now up to here, derivative of the denominator is in numerator, answer is log mod. But if denominator is in root, the answer is 2 root of x, right? So answer will be y is equal to x into sin inverse x. I am writing x sin inverse x. This is plus half, and answer of this is 2 root 1 minus x square plus c. So answer is y is equal to x into sin inverse x plus under root 1 minus x square plus c, which is your required GS. That is your general solution, right? आपको पता चला ना, ये कैसे करना वो भी पता है ना, कि एक बार फिर से लिखा देता हूं। ये क्या होगा, ये ऐसे होगा y log y dx इज इक्वल टू x dy होगा, राइट। तो x को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेंगे, इसको राइट हैंड साइड भेज देंगे, क्या होगा, तो dx अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू dy अपॉन y log y होगा, राइट। ये वेरिएबल सेपरेबल तो हो गया। इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो log y का डेरिवेटिव 1 अपॉन y रहता है, तो इसको आपको ऐसा लिखना पड़ेगा 1 अपॉन y log y dy। नाउ इंटीग्रेटिंग यू विल गेट योर आंसर, एंड दिस इज सिमिलरली दिस इज dy अपॉन y raised to 5 is equal to minus dx upon x raised to 5. So this is a variable separable, and how to integrate? You can write y raised to minus 5 dy is equal to minus x raised to minus 5 dx, and then integrate. You will get your answer. तो सब एग्जाम्पल हो गया, आपको now फिनिश ही करना है प्रॉपर स्टेप लिख के, राइट। सो सबका हिंट दे दिया। Now this e raised to x tan x dx is equal to plus 1 minus e raised to x x square by dy. It's not easy to change into variable separable form. So taking this to right hand side, this become minus, but we multiply this by minus, so e raised to x minus 1 we can write, right? So क्या हो जाएगा, e raised to x tan y dx is equal to e raised to x minus 1 sec square y dy. Now changing into variable separable variable form, this is e raised to x, this is dx, this is e raised to x minus 1. So e raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1 dx is equal to, taking this to left hand side, writing this to right hand side, sec square y upon tan y dy हो जाएगा। तो देखो क्या हुआ, now see x with dx and y वाली टर्म सब साथ में है, तो वेरिएबल सेपरेबल हो गया। So this is variable separable. Now integrating we get e raised to x upon e raised to x minus 1 dx is equal to sec square y upon tan y dy. So answer of this is, derivative denominator is in numerator, so answer is log mod e raised to x minus 1 is equal to, derivative denominator is in numerator, so log mod tan y plus I'm writing log mod c, right? So taking these two right hand side और सॉरी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, राइट, जो आपकी बुक में आंसर दिया है वो आंसर लाना है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, तो इसमें इसको यहाँ पे लिया है, तो क्या करेंगे, इसको ऐसे लेके जाएंगे, तो क्या होगा, log tan y माइनस log mod e raised to x minus 1 is equal to minus log mod c कर देंगे, माइनस log mod c। नाउ log a माइनस log b, जो आंसर है वो आपको चाहिए तो, राइट। सो log mod tan y upon e raised to x minus 1 is equal to, I'm taking this log minus to upper, right? So this can be written as log c raised to minus 1, that is 1 upon c. Now log is a one function, so removing that we get tan y upon e raised to x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon c. So answer given is tan y upon e raised to x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon c. You can put either 1 up instead of 1 upon c, any arbitrary constant that is given in your book, right? So this can be written as either c1, where c1 is equal to 1 upon c. So this is your required general solution. Got it?